The OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is like a trusty sidekick in the kitchen. It's not flashy, but it gets the job done reliably. And it feels good in your hand. The non-stick coating, engineered in Germany with 3 layers, is a real hero when you're cooking. Eggs slide around like figure skaters on ice. And cleaning up is as simple as a quick wipe. You won't need a lot of oil, which is a nice bonus for healthier comida. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan has a stainless steel handle wrapped in nonslip silicone. It stays cool while you're cooking up a storm. And the grip is secure. Even if your hands are a little wet, the 8-inch size is perfect for smaller meals, like a couple of fried eggs or a grilled cheese sandwich. It heats up quickly and evenly, so you don't get those annoying hot spots that burn your food. It's a solid pan, and it feels like it will last, unlike some flimsy options out there. For anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: 3 layers, stainless steel handle, non-slip silicone grip, hard anodized body, excellent. Heat, scratch resistant, oven safe to 390 degrees F, dishwasher safe, easy food release, uses less oil. Cons: base could be light, not induction ready. Some find it deep, durability concerns, coating may degrade, quality may have dropped, reports of sticking, may not last long. Features: 8-inch size, frying pan, skillet type, non-stick coating 3-layered, German engineered. Stainless steel handle, non-slip silicone grip, black color, Good Grips series. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan is a skillet with a non-stick coating that has 3 layers and is German engineered, meaning it's likely made to be durable and effective at preventing food from sticking. It features a stainless steel handle that is wrapped with a non-slip silicone material, making it comfortable and safe to hold. The pan is black in color and is part of the Good Grips series, which is known for having comfortable and easy-to-use kitchen tools. This pan is a good size for cooking smaller meals and should make both cooking and cleaning easier, due to its non-stick surface and comfortable handle. This OXO Good Grips 8-inch frying pan has a non-stick coating made in Germany with 3 layers, helping food slide off easily and needing less oil for cooking. It has a strong body made of hard anodized material for good heat and to resist scratches. The handle is stainless steel wrapped in a non-slip silicone for a good grip. It can go in the oven up to 390 degrees F and is safe to wash in the dishwasher. However, the bottom might feel light. It cannot be used on induction stoves, and some people think it's a bit deep. There are also concerns about how long it will last, with reports that the non-stick coating might wear out and food might start to stick over time, suggesting the quality may not be as good as it used to be.